Good morning, friends. Happy Saturday to all of you. So, friends, there is a big update on the Build Back Better package. President Biden is meeting with Senate Democrat Joe Manchin to gain his support on the next social spending bill. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer is making the relief package his top priority. Friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video for all of the details. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Friends, remember that the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the more likely your chances of winning the $75 Walmart gift card. At the end of this video, I will be announcing yesterday's winner, so please stay tuned.
This is a very simple, again, amendment that goes to the infrastructure that we all need in this country. Today, the average EIS is over 600 pages long, takes almost 4 years, with a quarter of EISs taking more than 6.5 years in our country. If anyone thinks that's good for building infrastructure, I would strongly disagree. My amendment simply says that environmental assessments need to be completed in 1 year, and environmental impact statements need to be completed in 2. This is what almost every other industrialized democracy does. Unfortunately, we have a permitting system that's broken. I hope that at some point I can work with my colleagues in a bipartisan way to address these important issues.
Thank you.
The second amendments that I wanted to mention briefly, Madam Chair, Sullivan 1 and Sullivan 6. This goes directly to the issue of more energy supply for America, which is what we need. Last week, the Secretary of Energy said we are doing all we can to move energy supplies to get energy to the market in America.
Democrats and Republicans are competing for Senate Democrat Joe Manchin's attention when it comes to what elements of President Biden's agenda are still in play. Democrats and Republicans are competing for Senate Democrat Joe Manchin's attention when it comes to what elements of President Biden's agenda are still in play ahead of the midterm elections, knowing full well that Washington will soon move into full-time campaign mode. While Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer is attempting to get Manchin on board with climate change and to lower prescription price proposals, GOP lawmakers are trying to divert Joe Manchin's attention toward bipartisan negotiations on energy legislation. Chuck Schumer is privately trying to negotiate with Joe Manchin on a budget bill that addresses climate change and lowers prescription prices. Mike Plant, a West Virginia-based Democratic strategist, told reporters, if he gets something within the parameters, as he's discussed it, I think he is a possible yes. But Mike Plant cautioned that Senator Manchin has set out strict parameters for what kind of package he can support, emphasizing it must reduce the deficit. He also stated it's going to be something that comports with his view of what's appropriate. I don't think there's a lot of wiggle room for Joe Manchin on what he would find acceptable. I think there's a very narrow path on that. It would have to be something that dealt with prescription, climate, deficit reduction, and didn't contribute to inflation. Mike Lux, a Democratic strategist, said when it comes to the GOP side of things, Republicans are trying to run out the clock by pulling Manchin into energy negotiations and away from spending time on elements on Biden's Build Back Better agenda. Mike Lux also stated it is critical to pass a budget reconciliation package to get a few more of Biden's domestic priorities enacted, especially a legislation to extend Affordable Care Act subsidies that are due to expire. A group of 26 House Democrats piled more pressure on Manchin and Schumer to strike a deal by penning a letter last month, warning that constituents will see a spike in health insurance premiums unless Congress extends premium tax credit enhancements. Chuck Schumer met with Joe Manchin at least twice in his office before Memorial Day, and the Democratic leader says he's not giving up on locking down Manchin's vote. Manchin has given Democrats hope by saying that at the minimum, Congress should be able to pass prescription reform. Speaking at an event in West Virginia, Joe Manchin said that Democrats must pass legislation to lower prescription prices before the midterm elections. Democratic strategists say getting just a few pieces of Biden's Build Back Better agenda enacted would give a major boost to vulnerable Democratic candidates in the November elections. So friends, do you think that the Build Back Better bill will pass before the midterm elections? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Now friends, President Biden just announced his administration has secured 33 million bottles of safe infant formula from Nestle. In an announcement via Twitter, the president shared that over 127 million bottles of safe infant formula are heading to the United States shelves as soon as possible. The announcement comes amid a baby formula shortage stemming from a Michigan plant closing over contamination concerns. The Biden administration also has taken other actions in response to the baby formula shortage, including invoking the Defense Production Act, creating a consent agreement with the FDA to reopen Abbott Nutrition Facility, and issuing FDA guidance to import formula that is not being produced in the United States. On Thursday, the White House launched a new website that tracks the actions that the administration is taking to get more baby formula to grocery shelves. The administration had previously launched Operation Fly Formula Mission. It is to airlift formula from Europe and Australia to further combat the shortage. Friends, the key word for this video is Mount Rushmore. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Mount Rushmore, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. The administration announced a third and fourth wave of the Operation Fly Formula mission that will begin shipping formula next week. Federally chartered planes are bringing millions of bottles of the popular United Kingdom brand. In addition, the airlift will also import several millions of units of baby formula from Australia. Well, my magnificent friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. And I truly hope that you found some of this information helpful. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Luella Malone. Congratulations, my friend. Please note that if I named you as a winner, do check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed weekend.